Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am the student advisor of University of South Wales. I am Tasin Rahman. So today I was in AIMS education, so I got engaged with some of the students they got. So if you have any queries related to the admission of University of South Wales, please contact with AIMS education. They will provide you each and every information for our university's admission. Moreover, they will also show you the guideline and also give you some directions about the admission of our university. Now let me tell you something about our university. It is one of the biggest public university at UK, and it is ranked number 6 in UK, and it is also ranked 101 globally all over the world. Moreover, it is also ranked number 1 in Wales. So this university is a very good platform to build your career, to grow your career. Moreover, we have 3 sectors for our universities. We provide law programs, we provide BBA programs, we also have programs for engineering sector. So you want to grab your chances, just grab it. And we also do have some sectors related with medical sciences. So whatever you need, grab it and contact with AIMS education. They will provide you each and every guideline and give you the best direction they got, because they have got a very good team, skilled team to guide you the best way in the guard. Thank you.
AIMS Education, your one-stop study solution.